Hi, in this video, we will learn about how we can manage all the assets or tools that are available on the site. So generally what happens is that we have a lot of tools on construction site which are assigned to site supervisors or the foremans, and then they are returned back to office and they are assigned to another site. So all of this can be managed inside the on-site software. So here we have multiple assets already listed here. We will create a one new asset. For example, let's say we are creating a asset of Tata with a wooden handle. So we will create one asset, Tata Agrico wooden handle hammer. And let's say the asset type is hammer. We can create more asset types also, and we will just save it. Now, all these assets are available to assign to anybody in the sites in the different projects, right? So this is the code which can be used to manage this particular asset. Now we can paste this code on a sticker on the particular hammer, or we can mark it with a marker also, so that whenever this particular hammer will be assigned to somebody or will be returned back to office, then we can keep a track of this particular hammer. So let's say we are assigning this hammer to somebody in the project. So let me choose the project name. This is the assigning time and this is the assigning date. And we let's say I am choosing a project name NH10 roadwork and party name is Ashish Personal. And I will just save this. Now, if I open this, I can see the whole record that this particular asset is already assigned to Ashish in project NH10 roadwork. Now, if this particular asset will be returned back to office, then the office team will make an entry of return. Let us take this asset back into the office. So we are returning this asset from NH10 roadwork project from party Ashish, and we can also attach any photograph of the asset at the time of returning. So we will save this. Now this particular asset will be available to assign again. Now let's assign it again to somebody else in different project. Let's say Vikrant Tower Delhi is the project and party name is Bhavya Delhi. And we can also attach photograph of the asset while assigning the asset to Bhavya, and we will just save this. Now this asset is again assigned to somebody in the project. If we are transferring this asset from this particular project directly to another project without returning to the office, then we will make an entry of transfer. Let's make an entry of transfer now. We are transferring this project from NH10 from Vikrant Tower Delhi Bhavya to somebody to different project. Let's say this different project is Delhi Builders and party name is uh, Nilesh Tarne, and this asset is in good condition. We can also write these kind of notes here to mention, while assigning this particular asset, what was the condition of the asset. We can see the whole history of where this asset was assigned, then it was returned to office, then it was assigned to some other project, and then again transferred to some other project from that particular project. So the whole history can be seen here. Now, if we go to assets, the main screen, we can see that these particular assets are available to assign. This asset is already in the assigned stage. Now, let's assume that this particular asset is in repair, and it cannot be assigned to somebody else. We will change the status of this asset to in repair. What this will mean is that this particular asset right now is in repair and cannot be assigned to somebody else. And whenever it is again ready to sign, we can again change the status to mark as assigned. So again, it is already assigned to Nilesh Tarne in Delhi Builders. And if the asset condition is dead, we can mark it as dead also. So let's mark some other asset as dead. Let's say this Taparia hammer is in the dead condition and cannot be reused again. So we will just mark this as dead. And it will automatically show the status as dead and it is not ready to sign now. So this way we can manage all the different assets or tools in our company in this assets tab in the on-site software. And if we want to filter the status of, let's say we want to just see the ready to sign assets, we can just apply it here and we can see the filtered assets here. So this is how we can manage all the assets. Thank you.